this video, I'm gonna teach you how to crawl in Project Zomboid. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to crawl to get through specific obstacles or maybe hide, you will be able to do it by using one of two mods. So you can choose whichever one you prefer. These mods are available through the same workshop, which means that they are very easy to install. So you have Crawl B41, which has 652 ratings, and then through Crawl, which has 1641. So this one is going to be most popular. However, both should work. Both of them add essentially the option to crawl. They are going to be very refined, and you will be able to see it here in this preview video. So you can crawl to get through specific obstacles like this car. So for both of these mods, you will be able to press a specific key and crawl. This one allows you to do actions while crawling. So as you can see, you walk slower, but you can also shoot while prone. So you can get close to a car or car rack for this first mod, remain in the direction of the car, and then press E by default, and it is configurable. It is going to work for one car at a time, for any car vanilla or modded, and it is safe to be removed and added for any save. There will be no modification, so you can add or remove it as you go. So try this one first. If you don't like it, you can remove it. It should work in any mode. It is not tested in multiplayer and local co-op. However, by the amount of reviews, it should work natively. Through Crawl, on the other hand, is essentially the same thing. However, it seems to be a little bit more refined. As you can see, it works on multiplayer, on existing saves, and it has compatibility with various different other mods. So all that you have to do is choose the option to subscribe to this mod, and you will be able to use the F key for this mod instead. So you will be able to walk around slowly, get through obstacles, fire, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to crawl in Project Zomboid. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.